Economic system. We know that our country is democratic because people elect the government. Republic because anyone is eligible to contest and win any post. Secular because anyone can practice any religion, and sovereign because it is independent and free to choose its own rules. But our country is socialist too. It defines the economic system of our country that controls trade, business, agriculture, income, salaries, and all facilities like food, water, electricity, transportation, etc. So there are many economic systems in the world like capitalism, communism, and socialism. Capitalism means that in a capitalist country, production of goods and services are owned by private companies, not by government. The market and the industries are owned by private companies, not by government. That is why the rich people become richer and the poor people become poorer. Socialism. In the socialist country, production of goods and services is controlled by government. Government decides the salaries of people and goods are available at fixed price. No one can make the thing expensive, and all the wealth of the country is distributed among the rich and poor people. Next is communism. In a communist country, the production of goods and services is performed by government. Government decide everything for the people, including salary, property, wealth, religious practices, family, etc. Everyone have job and there is an equal distribution of wealth, but no one can take independent decision for themselves. Mixed economy. In some countries, production of goods and services is done by both the government companies also and private companies also. People can choose any product. There is no restriction. For example, in India also. India was a socialist country from the beginning. In 1991, the government of India reformed its economy. This made many private companies to come into all kind of business in every sector. Islamic economy based on Sharia. Sharia guides us how to do business, how to govern people, and how to govern policies. Economic system conforms to Sharia, that is Islamic tenet, and present a moderate economy that is interest free. Nobody is allowed to give interest, and there is restriction on some productions and consumptions, that is alcohol, drugs, etc. are not allowed. And there is a unique way of distributing wealth through zakat. Every person who has more than the minimum wealth has to give 2.5% of his wealth to the poor, reducing the gap between rich and the poor. When Islamic economic system was in place before the Industrial Revolution, there were no poor people in the Muslim world, and rich people cannot hold lot of money or food. Currently, in few Islamic countries, Islamic economic system, that is Sharia system, is still followed.